You can search across the entire Papers of the War Department collection by using the Search page, accessible by clicking on Search in the navigation menu, or by clicking on the Collections page and then clicking on Advanced Search. Search has the following options: by value, by class, and by item set. You can use all of these fields or only one. There are various kinds of searches you can do. For example, if you're interested in locating the correspondence or mentions of a particular surname, you can use the item set names to further refine your search. In this example, we will look for the correspondence of author Judith Sargent Murray in the Papers of the War Department collection. It is often best to start with a surname search, since given names can sometimes be abbreviated or spelled in different ways. Start by setting the first Search by Value dropdown to Family Name. Set the second to Contains, and write the name Murray in the third field. Leave the Search by Class field blank. In Search by Item Set, select Names to refine your search down to only name pages rather than all documents. When you're finished, click Search. The results page will list all name pages in the archive that contain the family name Murray. We see Judith Sargent Murray in this list, so we can click through to explore her place in the Papers of the War Department. Name pages will first display the full name and brief biographical information about each person. Below, you can view all linked resources associated with that name. The Filter by Property dropdown will give you options to see only those documents that match the criteria you're interested in. In this case, documents in which Murray is the creator or author of a letter, or those in which she is the recipient. Scrolling down, you're able to browse through the linked resources, again separated by the relationship this person has with each particular document. Letters in which Judith Murray is the creator come first, followed by a list of those in which she is the recipient. Clicking through on a document title will take you directly to that document. Scrolling through the description, we see that Judith Sargent Murray was indeed the author of this letter. If you're more interested in finding instances of a surname within documents, simply change the Search by Value dropdown to any property, and the Item Set dropdown from Names to Documents. This search will give you results for any time the surname Murray appears in the description of any document in the Papers of the War Department. As you can see, the name Murray is included in 146 of the documents in the Papers of the War Department collection. If you receive more results than you would like, you can add another search criteria to the Value field. To do this, click the Add New Value button. Here, we will keep the first dropdown set to any property. We will change the second dropdown to Contains, and type the word Judith in the text field. Leave the Search by Class field blank, and keep the last dropdown set to Documents. This search will show you only those documents that include both the words Judith and Murray in the description, bringing the total number of documents down to 6. Use these patterns shown in this video to explore the people of the Papers of the War Department.